Hi, I'm Erin from Broke Millennial for the Financial Diet. Welcome to the 3-Minute Guide brought to you by Skillshare. At the beginning of 2018, I decided to try a new strategy when it came to goal setting. Instead of just creating one year-long resolution, I decided to break it down into 5 different categories. Those categories were self-improvement, health, wealth, professional, and relationship. Then I examined each one of the goals that I wrote per category and created what I would consider micro goals. Those micro goals were small steps that I could take every month to serve the purpose of the larger goal that I wanted to attain. Doing these micro goals felt far more manageable than looking at those big overarching goals that I wanted to achieve in a year. This is also a riff on the SMART goal setting technique. This requires you to set goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Now let's look at 3 financial goals that you can achieve within a year. Goal number 1, find the best bank for you. How did you pick the bank you use? For a lot of people, it's because that's where their parents bank or because there's a branch on the corner near where they live. But do you actually bank with the best option? You want a bank that gives you 1% APY on your savings account, reimburses ATM fees and doesn't charge you extra, does not charge you a monthly maintenance fee or require an account balance minimum in order to avoid a fee, and offers you real overdraft protection. So if you are moving money from your savings to your checking account, it's not charging you an additional fee. You can search for better bank options on comparison sites like magnifymoney.com, NerdWallet, or Bankrate. Goal number 2, save an extra $1,000 within a year. Whatever your current financial goals, I challenge you to increase it by $1,000. Here's how this goal is smart. It's specific because you have both an amount that you're going to save and a time frame in which you're going to do it. It's measurable because you can break it down to being even more specific per month. For example, you need to save $83.33 per month. It's achievable because you can make an extra $100 a month. We just did a 3-minute guide episode on this very idea. It's realistic because it gives you a long enough time frame to make that monthly goal viable. It's time-bound because we set the 1-year goal. P.S. If you combine goal number 1 with goal number 2, that better interest rate can help you achieve that extra $1,000 just a little bit faster. And goal number 3, improve your credit score by 50 points. Your credit history is like an insurance policy on your financial life. You don't want to have to borrow money, but there are often times where you're going to need to. And having a healthy credit history, and therefore a high credit score, gets you access to the best possible products. The ultimate sign of a healthy credit history is a credit score of 700 plus. If you're already there, great. Keep going. If you're not at 700 plus, that's okay. Don't let it be discouraging. You want to focus on increasing your current credit score by at least 50 points within the next year. There are 2 easy ways to improve your credit score. Number 1, make payments on time for any of your debts. So things like student loans, auto loans, and if you're carrying a balance on your credit card. Number 2, is use a credit card responsibly. You want to use no more than 30% of your available credit limit. So that means if you have a $1,000 line of credit, you don't want to use more than $300, and always pay it off on time and in full. There is never a need to carry a balance month to month. You can use sites like Credit Karma, Credit Wise, and Credit Scorecard in order to find out your current credit score. It also might be available on your credit card statement. You've got your list of goals, but it can be hard to stay focused. One way to get help is with Skillshare, as an easy and affordable way to expand your talents. Every week we're featuring a different Skillshare class we think you guys will love. This week's class is Productivity Today, Managing Attention in the Digital Age. Hosted by Kevin Sisker, Managing Director of the Founder Institute in New York, this class shows you how you can increase your attention span, quiet your mind, and get more done. As always though, Skillshare offers a huge range of high-quality classes on must-know topics, from writing to fitness to business, and it's all about what you want to learn at an affordable annual subscription of less than $10 a month. And since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 500 people to use the promo link in the description will get their first 2 months free to try it out risk-free. Click the link in the description to check out this week's featured class or any of the other classes Skillshare has to offer. Have a money topic you want to learn more about? Leave your topic idea in the comments section below. I'm Erin from Broke Millennial for the Financial Diet, and don't forget to be here next Thursday for a new 3-minute guide.